My gosh, it's so dark from a rainstorm. Just had a ton of rain. My sister, my niece will be having a girlfriend come in after school, and they'll be making cupcakes. Hopefully we won't lose power. We have an electric stove. Be nice for the kids to make their cupcakes. It's funfetti. Get this sideways to get all that. Oh gosh, it's raining again. See, the whole house is dark in the rain. Except for those little lights. Gonna see if we could catch up with the rain. You can see it dripping off the window. I gotta put the laundry in the dryer and hope the electric don't go out before the dryer stops. We have well water, and if the electric goes out, we don't have water. Let me see if I could open the door and get some of the rain. Just seeing what's dripping. Oh, it's so dark. Our street light came on. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to get this video. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. Sorry I'm so unsteady. Just want to let this run a few seconds so you guys could enjoy the rain a minute.